Hi, in this video let me show you how to reboot your Roku TV. I'll show you two different ways. One way using the remote control and the other way using the menu. So let's start with the one with the menu. Press the home button, go into the settings, press OK, then go down, and one of the options should be system. Press OK, then go down, select power, and then system restart. Press OK, press again OK, and the TV will restart, will reboot. If you don't want to go through all these menus because it's complicated, let me show you how to do it with the remote control. Let me start on the home screen, so I'll press the home button, but you don't have to press the home button. Okay, so now we need to press, I'll tell you what to do and then I'll show you. 5 times the home button, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 1 time arrow up, then 2 times this button, rewind, 1, 2, and then 2 times this button over here, fast forward. Everything needs to be done quickly. Let me demonstrate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Wait, okay. Put the remote down, we don't need it anymore. And the TV will restart in, I would say, around 10 to 15 seconds. Right now it's starting to do the reboot and the screen will go dark. Here we go. It took, I think, maybe 17 seconds, around that. And now the TV is restarting the way you want it. This is great in case you're having issues with your TV. If it lags, if you're stuck on a display, you cannot go back, your screen is frozen, stuff of this nature. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.